Asorobotirwa beno mwanchu mulielia nigo tokumurikira obunda bwa Rigena ria Gusii asingo kumenya buna chinga kiechiga tuligeti gosoa aseru sentambe nigo abatali korwa chinse babeire bagoikirana emeyense itu ya Kenya asomutimoko anene mono ase chinse mo cha Masai Mara nabo igo Serengeti abo asebono baisabire serikali ya Kenya kubabikira erami ase balenene ekorwa Lolgorian ochia kihanja eyebwate ebuse nebitonge binge mono egento kirire barabo gotumeka ebale ntambe elio babe bagoikirana ase chinsemo cha Masai Mara kwegokia monjoria korase ward ya Tabaka Ombasa Apebo oyiboigo okorosia ebinto korwase Rigena liekware nigo aereire michando babwate ase chinsemo chio chia Golgorian buna ebalembe okobora gwechinguru cy'umuriro wa systema naboigo amache yo gotumeka ase chinyomba cyo cheno egento kirire obonchoria otakina ase chinsemecho egati yabatali abo nigo baeresire buna ebale yo ekoba goseba etereria emechando ase mibere yabo ekero bagokeire gosekero bagokora etaro yabo ase chinsemecho muliketo Caroline Mosa nabetaka gwikirana sensemeyo naboigo toriganiria aya kubwatia
Rigena liekware Rigena lire ase gati y'ebintu biribwate obonda bwa Gusii ririko baligotoka ime bunge ya South Mugirango county ya Gusii Ombasa Apepo oyokobaga koya Rigena liekware ime ward ya Tabaka nabo igoniga baire gakorosia ebintu ebinge kurwasa amagenayo ebyako bagako baoneri abatali ao abo bako baba gotara imeyense yaito ya Kenya.
We operate a small business which is basically a place we are trying to get some tourists coming from the Mara going to the Serengeti or coming from the Serengeti going to the Mara. We have identified this spot as a place where the tourists can break and have a few refreshments and even visit the washrooms. And we have seen them stopping for those small activities. And we are proud that at least these tourists are stopping here. Basically, what we do is to have them stop here. They will visit the washrooms. We have some resting places, although we need to improve more. And in doing so, they will also buy some few souvenirs to take home. And we are seeing it's a place with a lot of opportunity. Hopefully, we should grow it. Apart from the tourists who come here, of course, we have locals who will come during afternoons and the rest here. What we are doing now is to promote our stone and the tourism industry. Soon we are having a factory where production is being done, and these Wazungus are very excited when they see the production process taking place. We'll of course incorporate the cultural part of it, the Maasai culture, doing the beadwork, Maasai culture, dancing for the tourists, but that is in future. As for now, we sit in a small piece of land which is about slightly higher than 1 acre, and that is where we are operating. We have seen tourists coming here to camp, doing camping. In fact, the last time we received about 20 Americans who came all the way from the Mara trekking to the lake. So they stopped here, slept here, and we are receiving requests of more people who want to do camping. And we hope this place will grow.
Ombasa Apepo bono nigo alien kiribuna ngochiare ko baga korigia echiro ime na isiko ya Gusii ase okugora nabo igoko ni gwa Rigena liga liekware.
Been into Masai Mara and we've been very pleased. We saw a lot of the wildlife that we were hoping to see. So many animals, more than I ever thought that I would see, and just beautiful, nice people that have been so helpful and hospitable while we've been here. We got to stay at Amani Mara, which was so nice, and the people took such good care of us. And we've been traveling with Spirit of Kenya, and Dominic's been great for us, helping us along the way and doing a great job driving the bumpy roads. But yes, I would love to come again. We've gotten to have like stops on the curio shops along the way, and it's beautiful artwork and handmade, good craftsmanship from all the people here. We're happy to have gotten some souvenirs to take back home to our loved ones.
A place with a lot of tourists. If it is possible, because these are tourists coming from the Mara and visiting the Serengeti, or Serengeti going to the Mara. I wish we could do more to have them stop here, because during the peak season like July, August, we had this place flooded with the tourists. We were even lacking parking. But anything good doesn't miss challenges. Like until about 1 month ago, this road was not very good. But we have want to thank the government, because they have at least tried, improved it. But I wish the road could be tarmacked from the Oroloro gate until Kehancha, because from Kehancha to Isibani or the border, it is tarmacked. The other challenge we face here is, if you can see, there is no electricity around. So these tourists like having some refreshments, like cold sodas, coffee, which they are very used to, but the coffee we give them instant coffee, which they don't like. So if we can have power in this place, although we have improvised solars, but I think it doesn't give us full satisfaction.
Nonye nabo nigo abatari abo bakoba bagutarira chinsemo cha Masai Mara imea Narok nabo igo aria Serengeti baesabire serikali ya Kenya inyare ko bagi kubaroseria ipara ikurulo Rigoria nigoikera aria Kehancha eyugo ikera bonere chi kilomita 115 eyugo ko bagi kubwaterania chinse chibere cha Kenya na Tanzania eyugo ikabone aberege ko baletera omuchando ekero bale ase taro yabo.
The challenge we face is like 2 kilometers from here, there is a small bridge, which when it floods during the heavy rains, and occasionally when it rains, a lot of rain from upstream, the vehicles will not pass here. They have got to go around and go to the Serengeti, and it becomes tedious and in fact frustrating for the tourist, because that road is very long, by I think maybe 30 kilometers longer. And we want to encourage our government to be with us, talk to us, so that we can promote tourists.
I'm here enjoying my work, but I have a challenge, especially on our roads. The roads are very worse. Like we have African free massage for long. Since I started this work, it's 15 years now. And can you imagine 15 years you are using off-road? In fact, I think in the other side, it's affecting my lifespan, because sometimes I hear back pain. So I challenge you, government, to make the roads work. I mean, you put the tarmac, then tourists will enjoy. Like sometimes we are very tiresome because of the roads. I think, yeah, in fact, we need business, like small business, like curio shops, with the clean bathrooms, whereby we can stop over with our guests.
Boigo niga murekeire ngana yokoborwa kwechinguru chyo murero na boigo amache ase chinsemecho egentatebire buna nigo kiaireire ogotakina kwobonchorera ime chinsemecho.
Is water. Normally we get the water from the Rigorian, the people who sell water on private terms. So every time, like in a week, we spend 10,000 liters of water, and that water is not sourced from anywhere. It is us to go for that big tanker to come and they drop the water here, because without water, we can't have the toilets working. And you know the tourists are very, very, very keen.
Korwa Transmara ime kaunti ya Narok, Elietaria Nemausa, Caroline.